Next topic from unit number 6 is the text mining. So what is the text mining, one, what is, why it is the important regarding the big data technologies and applications and impact basis. So we will discuss it now. The age of big data is leading to an enormous increase of digital informations, and today's the memory is not expensive and no longer a medium with limits. Until now, the knowledge base distributed to only some sources. However, the lots of technical possibilities have led to a quick increase in the number of text documents and memory locations. This may leads to serious problems. Give the collections of informations, understanding the text contents and associations, something which until now has exclusively been performed by the human mind, can no longer be carried out reality without technical help. The data which can be located in the text documents and cannot be found in the database are obtained with the help of highly performance text mining software solutions. Uh, so text mining is roughly equivalent to the text analysis, and it is text analysis, and it is the process of deriving the high quality informations from the text. It is the process, through this process we can extract the informations, highly useful informations from the text. So these are the different text mining techniques are available, that is the structured data, identified data, analysis data, extractions, and the database. And this one is the first stage. We got the data from the social media, generally in the unstructured data, then it will be converted into the structured form, then it will be identified the required data from the structured data, and it is analysis process is done on this identified data. Then again the useful information, that is the final information extracted, and it is transferred into the database. So these are the phases, all the phases of the data mining techniques. So text mining is as it is the process of obtaining the information from the unstructured states. Through this it will clear its definitions. The word mining in the terms of text mining is taken from an analogy to coal mining. It is used to get the possibly previous business insight from the text-based contents like emails, word documents, and a post from the social media such as the Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. To transfer the words from the phases from unstructured data to the numerical values, which may be terms connected to the structured data in the data, and can be examined by the value of mining techniques. Mm, so these things involves in the text minings, that is the information retrieval, natural language processing, information extractions, and the data mining. These are the different stages, or these are the different things that are involved in all this data mining process. That is the first we are retrieve the informations, then the natural language processing, because your data is present in the natural language. People use the natural their own language for entering the data. Then informations extraction, useful information extractions from this natural data or the captured data or the unstructured data, and that the process will be done on this through the data mining, that is the text mining or the data mining. So information retrievals, so in this information retrieval, the user key is matched with the documents available in the database, and to search the body of documents that is related to the research questions is the first stage in the text mining process. Information retrieval is the first stage. So there is the predefined keywords, and through this keyword basis there is the fixed format of the protocols, and through this we will get the information, retrieve the informations through the key basis or the query basis. Then next one is the natural language processing. In the natural language processing, text can be examined in the structure base on the human speech. It permits the computer to perform the grammatical analysis of the sentence to read the text. Third one is the information extractions. The information extracted is responsible for structuring the data which is generated by the natural language processing. Okay, so now through this natural language processor we get the data, and that particular data will be converted into the informations extractions. So the next one is the data mining, and data mining is the process of identifying patterns in the huge set of data to find a data new knowledge. So these are the four stages that is required for the text mining, and there are a lot of applications is based on the text mining. We will cover the few one, that is analyzing the open-ended survey responses in a review search. It is not unusual to include a variety of open-ended questions related to the topic under the analysis. The idea is to allow the respondent to the state their views or the opinions without restricting them to a particular dimensions or a particular response format. This may use up insight into the customer views and options that might overview, not to be the reliefs when relying the exclusive on the structure question is designed by expert. Now, for example, you may find out the certain set of words or terms that are frequently used by the respondent to express the advantages and disadvantages of product or services, telling misconceptions or confusions regarding the items in the study, automatic process of message emails, etc. And once the more familiar application is to assist in the atomic classifications or text. For the example, suppose it is possible to filter out the automatically most unwanted junk mail based on the certain terms or words that are not likely to appear in the valid message but instead recognize the unwanted electronic mail. In this way, such message can automatically be deleted. Such atomic systems for categorization electronic message can also be useful in the applications where the message want to be route to the most suitable department or agencies. Okay, so analyzing the warranty or insurance claims, diagnosis, interview, etc. in some business domains, the most of the information is the gathered in open-ended textual forms. For example, like when you take your automobiles to a service stations for the repair, normally the employee will write some remarks about the problems that you report, and what you believes desired to be fixed. Such remarks are collected electronically, and hence those type of the descriptions are available ready-made for the purpose of input into the text mining algorithms. Okay, so applicable on this basis, they have applied the text mining algorithms and to find the required informations, and this data can further be neatly broken to, for example, identifying the general groups of issues and complaints on the product, etc. Okay, so in this way we will get the data, extracted data through the text mining. In this the same manners, it is the medical fields, complaints, descriptions by the patients regarding he related symptoms may become a useful cluster for the purpose of the actual media diagnosis. And investigation competitors by crawling their websites, one more types of the possible very useful applications to automatically process the contents of page in the particular domains. For instance, you can go to the web page and start the crawling, and the like you locate there to process all the web page that are the referred. So in this way you can automatically obtain the last terms and document accessible at that site. So these are the example, and therefore the rapidly determine the most important terms of the features are listed. So this is the short overview of the text mining, how it works, what are the different phases, how we can get the data, what are the different text involved in the text mining, and what are the typical applications of text mining. So this is very important regarding your data analysis using the web, using the web social media analytics, because in the social media analytics the data is not present in any structure form. It is present in a different